This video sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about types of fever. First one, low grade fever. In low grade fever the temperature will be 37.1 to 38.2 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit 98.8 to 100.8 degree Fahrenheit. In low grade fever the temperature will be above normal for more than 24 hours. Example for low grade fever is tuberculosis. Next one, hyperpyrexia. In hyperpyrexia, the temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, more than 104 degree Fahrenheit. In hyperpyrexia, the temperature will be gradually increasing. Example for hyperpyrexia is heat stroke. Next one, intermittent fever. In intermittent fever, fever will be present and body temperature reaches normal at least once in 24 hours. Example for intermittent fever is malaria and kala azar. Next one is remittent fever. In remittent fever, continuous fever will be there, but temperature never reaches normal level. Example for remittent fever is typhoid infection and infective endocarditis. Next one is relapsing fever. In relapsing fever, fever frequency is present. It means the fever frequency interval will be equally maintained. In relapsing fever, example, Borrelia infection. Next one is crisis. Crisis means sudden returning of temperature to the normal value from high temperature. Example for crisis is bacterial endocarditis. Next one, lysis. Lysis means the temperature falls stepladder pattern for reaching the normal temperature. It means the temperature will be falling down gradually. Example for lysis is viral infection. Next one, heat exhaustion. In heat exhaustion, profuse diaphoresis and excessive electrolyte loss occur.